Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Just a quick one, guys. I'm just going to talk about something. I've always thought about this, Wuti. Most people don't know soccer rules or football rules, né? And the most important people who are supposed to know the rules don't know the rules of football. Soccer players don't know the rules of football. Okay, let me just say most soccer players don't know the rules of football. Even Abore, right? But I'm talking about if you're a football lover or you watch international football, you might have seen the game in PSG versus Bayern Munich, or vice versa, where it game ended 1-1, right? Ibhola lelashaya esandleni and the Bayern Munich players said it's a handball, but Urevu said no, it's not a handball. Now there's a video. I don't know when the rules changed or if they did change. There's a video that I'm gonna show you where it came here last year. There's a guy who tell me who scores the penalty, right? Just a side note. Tell me if you're a South African fan, you definitely know who scores the penalty. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you didn't see the video, right? I got this clip on YouTube. Ne? It came between Bayern Munich, the PSG. Guy clears the ball, Lishaya Esandli, right? Clears the ball, Lishaya Esandli. But uti play on. Now, most people don't know the rules. Our referees now don't know the rules. Even our former referees don't know the rules, right? Let me show you what Nkuluma. Even our former referees don't know the rules, right? Victor Shongwane, after this game, this was a game between Sundowns and the Marumo Gallants, right? After this game, he said, this was a penalty. This year, right? This year, now let's look what happened, right? Free kick, Phakamisa isandla, ibhola hits Santos esandleni from his own player. Now I'm gonna post the rules after this clip. Ne? The rules state ukuthi if the ball comes from your own teammate, it's not a penalty. Now abanye benu zozibuza ukuthi why bekaphakamisa isandla. I'll show you here. If you see here, if you look at this, ne, he gets pushed. And he gets pushed. I think he thought ukuthi he play le TX Galaxy. That's why bekaphakamisa isandla afuna ureferee ajudge ifoul. If you see this hand, right? Phakamisa isandla bayaliheta lishaya esandleni. Still the rules say ukuthi this was not a penalty, right? The people who are supposed to know the rules the most don't know the rules. Tina, we are fans, right? But I'm a soccer player and the referees, those are the people who should know the rules. If Bayern Munich ne PSG ureferee lapho showed a lot of people who we don't know the rules of football.